Why is lead time so critical for supply chain planning? Imagine trying to catch a train without knowing when it will arrive. That's what managing a supply chain feels like without understanding lead time. Lead time is the total time it takes from placing an order to having the product ready for sale or use. It includes everything from processing the order, manufacturing or buying the product, shipping, customs clearance if needed, and transit time. Knowing each of these steps helps supply chain planners predict when materials or products will be available. If they don't, they risk running out of stock or holding too much inventory, which costs money. Demand planning relies heavily on lead time because it tells companies how far in advance they need to forecast and order products. If lead times are long or unpredictable, businesses might have to keep extra stock on hand to avoid running out. That means higher storage costs and more capital tied up in inventory. On the other hand, shorter and more consistent lead times allow for leaner inventory levels, which saves money and makes the supply chain more flexible. Lead time also plays a big role in working with suppliers. Knowing how long it takes for a supplier to deliver helps set realistic expectations and monitor their performance. If a supplier's lead time is longer than expected, it can cause delays in production and delivery. Choosing suppliers with reliable lead times helps keep the entire supply chain running smoothly. In practical terms, accurate lead time data helps plan production schedules so materials arrive just in time for manufacturing. It also guides transportation planning to ensure products reach customers on time. Managing inventory levels depends on knowing how long it takes to get products from suppliers, so companies can balance service levels with costs. If market demand suddenly shifts, knowing lead times allows quick adjustments in orders and production plans. Overall, lead time connects demand planning with the actual execution of supply chain activities. Without precise information, companies risk missing delivery deadlines, increasing costs, and disappointing customers. That's why understanding and managing lead time is essential for a smooth and efficient supply chain.